Bad migao mar Doho chano mar chako chenro mar winjruok oko mar Doho e kaunti ma Kericho kaka yo mar duoko chien dugni mag buche e Doho ma alworano. Maeri giwacho ni biro kelo yot e winjruok e kind oganda kar rito ng'eto mar Doho manyalo yware. Maeri timore seche ma bende kamati mar sirikal mamalo osechako chenro mar tiego jopiny e wi yore mag winjruok nyapacho mabiro kelo fuong'ruok mapiyo n'oganda. Kamati no motelne kod jang'ad bura mar Doho mar Ayuagra Ngire Joel Ngugi biro nywako jotich mag Doho, jodong gweng' e kind jotelo mamoko mar kelo fuong'ruok n'oganda.
What our statistics show is that about 64% of cases are being handled through AJS, and our purpose here is to try and encourage that. But we have 19% of Kenyans who have no access to justice. Those are people who are not going to court and they are not going to AJS. So we are hoping that this 19% we can capture them, for example, here in Kericho, and we can channel them appropriately to the different AJS mechanisms. We also have 17% of cases right now in Kenya that are being handled in court, but because of case backlogs and so forth, that's why we have a lot of backlog. We have a lot of case delays. We're hoping that some of the 17% that is currently coming into court can also be channeled to AJS. We want to say defilement cases absolutely cannot be taken to AJS, cannot be had through AJS, and in fact it's a criminal offense. Some of murder cases, homicide cases cannot be had through AJS, but some homicide cases, especially manslaughter, usually can be had through AJS.